Have you ever fantasized being in a relationship with me?
Ano malamang, yes, kasi crush kita, di ba?
Right. I think marami kasing characters dun sa fantasy na.
Kaya, parang nag-regret ako na dalhin ka dito ha. Parang ako pa yung naano. Ako pa yung na-hot seat. Hi, I'm Simon. I'm 31.
Hello, welcome back to me. I'm Seth, 27 years old.
It started at I went to a rave kasi like a few months ago. Tapos, I saw a friend, mutual friend ko siya online. And then, nakita ko siya sa likod ng friend ko.
Sa likod ba ako nun?
Nasa likod ka nun. Tapos, ang cute nito So parang, medyo lasing na ata to eh. So, at tapos yung friend ko, sinabi niya sa akin na, ay, friend ko yun, pakilala kita. Tapos after nun, kinukulit ko na siya palagi sa chat.
Yeah, I think it was March.
March.
Yeah, March.
March na.
Tapos it was quite unexpected. Well, it's a social place, pero yeah, meeting new people is quite the thing there. At least,
After
may nagka-crush sa akin.
Buti na lang the day after, na nag-chat ako sa'yo, nakilala, like you still remember me, sobrang lasing mo nun.
Yeah. After that rave, a friend invited us also to a housewarming.
That's where
that's actually where we got the chance to talk like formally.
Formally, maayos, we got to know each other. Like,
Ayos na wala sa dance floor or walang
doon ko nalaman na
alcohol.
teacher pala siya.
Ay, okay.
Doon ko nalaman mga ganun, mga little
Doon ko nalaman na
details
barista pala siya.
Before.
Ngayon ano siya, marketing person.
Nung nakita ko yung yung ad na me and my crush, kinukulit siya, "Uy, what if trip natin gawin to?"
Tapos sinend ko sa kanya yung link.
Oo.
Hopefully, we'll give you a show.
Uy, gano'n.
We'll give you a show.
Kuha na ko isang tanong.
My God.
Okay.
Yung maayos
First
yung
off,
question.
type mo rin ba ako?
Yun agad yung first question.
Yun agad yung first question. First off, type mo rin ba ako?
Yes or no, no? I think kahit minimal pa lang yung interaction. I'm gonna answer yes. May shock. I'm not yet prepared. Shock. Yes naman yung answer ko because even though we had like minimal interactions pa lang, we've been interacting online sa social media. Send ka ng send ng mga TikTok na, sorry, hindi ko na papanood lahat. Pero nag-notify sila. Medyo same wavelength kami in terms of
Yung humor.
yeah, humor.
So, di annoying yung mga TikToks na sisend ko
Hindi
sa'yo?
naman siya annoying.
Okay.
Wala lang talaga akong time. Ang dami naman nito. Ang dami naman mag-send lang.
Parang kasi siyang morning news sa akin. Pagising ko sa maga, boom, TikTok agad.
Or feeling ko may ano lang siya. Ano yung, what do you call that?
yung mga, yung streak.
Oo, may streak.
Mag-streak,
May streak
for
ang
the streak lang
ina-achieve
pala.
sa TikTok. But yeah, the vibe check is a yes for me.
Okay, binawi mo siya.
Siyempre, dapat magaling ka mag-explain pag nakuryente ka. Did they turn out to be different from what you expected?
Parang no.
Okay,
Oo.
siyempre, eto na yun.
Oo.
What you see, it was
Eto
sige,
na yun,
what you see,
no.
sige. So sabi mo no.
No.
Let's see. So what
Ganun
did you
pala yung
expect?
feeling.
Oh, ganun na yung feeling.
Okay, what I expected siguro. Ako
Oh.
kasi I don't really expect a lot from people na. So, shocking
Expect
siya
a lot.
because maybe would have envisioned you to be
Envision.
a more serious person. So,
Yeah.
di ko in-expect siguro na may humor ka din pala or at least magkasabay tayo ng humor. Kasi nung nalaman ko na professor ka, baka seryoso
So wala akong
to.
personality nyo.
Well, di naman ganun, pero siguro expected yun na parang baka seryoso yung mga topic natin palagi, yung mga chat natin, ganun. Ay, okay, nakakasabay pala ka
So
pala
you
sa
agree
ano.
that I give off a serious vibe
Oo,
kapag mga first
ganun.
impression?
Yun yung nagigets
Tama
ko.
naman yun.
Ay, let's be honest na lang, di ba? Pag first mo kilala yung tao, of course, hindi mo siya makakausap.
Pero nakasando lang kasi ata ako.
Oo, di ba? Yung typical,
Kasi nagsando ako ngayon.
typical outfit ng mga bakla pag nagpa-party ngayon, nakasando na lang, parang nasa gym lang.
May polo talaga ako nun.
Oo, tapos may tats siya. Ako marami akong tats din. So it kind of attracts me if somebody has like the same vibe as me physically lang. So parang okay, cute pala to. Hot din pala to. Ito kasi yung tat na pinaka ako, like that really caught my eye. Itong Fire Nation na tat.
Sige, ipakita mo.
Di ba? So, meron din akong tat na avatar related kasi
may
ito, Paisho tile. So, parang I can use that as a conversation. It worked naman, bakit nandito kami.
Actually,
It worked.
oo.
Would you ever date me even if I was broke? Which I totally am.
Oo naman kasi same siya. I think it's a common experience in the Philippine economy. Pangarap kong tumama dito eh. Like, I think it's the device.
Napo baby yung kailangan niya, guys. So, out of the question na.
Right? In realistically speaking, parang, ayun nga, I mentioned, in this economy, everyone is poor, everyone is trying to at least survive day by day. Hindi rin tayo dapat nalilimit doon sa idea ng, let's say, financial capacity when it comes to dating. The financial aspect would be one, but I think it's more than that. No? It's really more on the emotional maturity that would drive your connection all throughout. So, may sense ka
Pwede ka na
usap.
sumali talaga sa Miss Universe, sorry. Or Miss Grand International.
So, iinom pa rin pala ako. Kahit pala, maganda yung sabi ko.
Sabihin na lang kita kasi poor naman talaga ako, so sabihin kita.
My God. Nagmamatter ba ang body count sa'yo?
To be honest, no. I mean, we're all adults here.
You'll be shocked.
Adults naman
I think
tayo.
may ground. Ah!
Ano?
I think may
Really?
sira yung device ngayon. Kasi
Oh.
wala pang tumatama sa akin.
Okay, to defend myself, to be
Sige,
honest lang
defend
talaga.
yourself.
I mean, at this day and age, we should
naman
be
ako
like,
trend
we should be sex positive.
Right,
So,
right.
tao lang tayo, may mga needs tayo, and then like, para ka dyan. As long as you're doing it safe.
Right? Happy
Yun lang
Pride.
talaga yung
Happy Pride.
As long as you're doing it safe, you do you.
Right.
So, wala.
It should be
So,
safe, consensual, and protected.
Totoo naman, totoo talaga.
Because we need to stay safe always.
Oh! Uy, grabe! Prepared ka
Branding
doon?
ko na yun, matagal ko ng branding yun. Have you ever fantasized being in a relationship with me, specifically nakalagay with?
Malamang
Fantasized?
Fantasize, oh. Malamang, yes, kasi crush kita, di ba? So,
Right.
crush yun.
Aha. I think marami kasing characters dun sa fantasy na. Kaya, hindi naman nagmamatter yung body count. Oh. Eh di pag fantasy, mas marami kang chances dun. Kasi nga, I mean kahit isang classroom sa'yo, ganyan.
Parang nagreregret ako na dalhin ka dito, ha? Parang ako pa yung lalo.
Yun naman yung goal.
Ako pa yung hot seat. to defend myself, marami kasi akong happy crush. Ikaw
Yeah,
yung pinaka-crush ko.
Actually, I see that. Kasi di ba, pag nag-story ka nga sa dump lalo, may crush na naman tong bago.
Iba yung fantasy sa reality, yun na lang siguro. Nung mga time kasi nung una ko siyang nakilala, tapos naging crush ko siya, super busy siya sa thesis niya kasi graduating siya. Hindi ko siya halos makakausap, hindi ko siya halos ma-chat, gano'n. So parang, super hard to get naman nito. I have this tendency na pag
Ito ba? Parang
medyo
normal ko eh.
medyo
Parang
hard to
normal
get,
ko yun.
na-challenge ako slight. Hindi nga magpapansin ako nga ito. Send lang ako na TikTok, chat ako.
Aha.
Tapos there was this one time, nag-post din siya sa
Napapansin ko
story niya
naman
about,
About
din,
what?
parang sana mapansin siya ng crush niya.
Oh, tapos naghanap
Ito na
ng
nga ako eh,
reason.
bakit di mo na akong chinachat? So
Point taken.
para akong naghahabol sa kanya kasi hard to get talaga siya nung time na yon. Oh.
Tumatapang yung alak nila. Ilan pa ba to?
Have you ever noticed a turn off about me? Gusto ko
Wala naman specific na turn off, no?
Oh, you'll explain
Turn
later
off
kung anong
hindi.
sagot mo.
Oh, sige, yes na.
Sige, yes. Okay.
Oh, yes. I think yes. Sabi ko yes, Oh! Pero dun sa negative
Guys, pack up
question.
na. That's a wrap. Oh, sige. So, saan ka na to turn off sa akin?
I think the question kasi is something that turns me off. Siguro given naman, 6 years na akong single. I think I'm the type of person that is quite nitpicky with small things.
You notice the little details sa
Yeah,
mga tao.
the little details. Say for example, I have these standards, tapos a part of it's not checked. Parang ganun. Parang the word turn off kasi it's kind of strong. So parang the vibe is off lang. Parang make sense.
Feeling ko annoying na talaga ako sa
Make sense ba
TikTok
yun?
para sa kanya. Kasi
Make
parang
sense ba yun?
on a daily basis, nagsasend ako ng at least 10.
Siguro siguro part yun nun. When I'm dating people, I'm not a fan of excessive updates. Like,
Hyper-independent ka na.
kinda
Ganun,
like
parang
that.
ganun.
Kinda like that. May manifestations of it. So, whenever I receive a lot of notifs na, okay, this person messaged you, parang, it kinda gets a bit overwhelming. Maybe this is coming from the years of being single.
Agree naman din. Agree.
Right.
I agree. Ako din na
So, hindi siya like turned off na
Oo.
physical or like,
So, it's more of the personal space, the boundary. Ganun.
right.
Noted on that. I won't chat you as much na sa TikTok. Joke lang.
Ask them anything that can be answered with a yes or no. Do you think political views matter when dating someone or getting to know someone?
Definitely yes.
Aha. Pag nag-ground ka talaga dyan, naku.
Ako, delikado. O, di ba yes?
Ang
Di
galing.
ba? Yung political view mo talaga, that's a reflection
Right.
of who you are as a
Right.
I believe that it's really a reflection of who you are as a person, your values as a person. You're electing people who's going to govern over you, who's going to rule. Kaya di ba poor tayo? Kaya di ba we talked about
Oh, at least
economics
kinatahin
kanina
natin
and dating. So, ano talaga, intersectional ang
Right.
politics.
Your political views would be highly reflective of your morals and it would apply kasi in your dating interaction. Mahirap nang lumandi. Diyos ko, parang mas mahirap pang lumandi lalo by 2028 kasi baka iba na yung Philippines no by then.
Although then, even if it's a reflection, it's not set in stone.
Right.
Kasi people have the capacity to change naman
Yeah.
and grow over time. So, get to know your crush more. Baka,
Aha.
ganun ka talaga ka-in love sa kanya. Baka
Yes.
pwede mo siya ma-convince to ano-ano.
And
ganun,
your
ganun.
political views can be a source of your turn-offs and
Turn-offs and turn-ons. Actually, totoo yan.
Awesome.
Totoo yan. Would you ever date your friend's ex?
No.
No question mark?
No. Sarcastic, no. Flirty, no. Siguro I can also explain it on the POV in, let's say, the gay community or the LGBT community. While for one, it's weird, still it happened. There would be times that it happens.
Malit lang yung community natin eh.
Since maliit na yung community, they're gonna meet all of
Ika nga ni
they're gonna
SZA, di ba? Ano yung lyrics ni
Yeah,
SZA?
parang-
My man is my fan is
meet.
your
Pero
fan.
personally, we don't eat our friends.
Yeah, actually,
May
that's
extension yun, we don't eat our friends' exes.
that's so weird. Parang bro code, sis code,
Yeah.
Marehan
gay
code?
I don't know.
marehan code. na
Happy
parang-
Pride.
Pag when your friend is talking about their ex, anong pinagdadaanan nila sa hirap at sa ginhawa, and then papatulin mo na parang, that's so
Aha, aha,
weird. Alam mo lahat ng details. So by extension, it's like you're also dating your friend.
Sino ba? Sino ba yun?
Hindi know, not me, parang ano lang, POV ko sa iba lang.
nga,
Yan.
right,
Pero
right.
that's so,
I mean-
that's a very questionable choice.
No judgment.
No
Pero konti lang.
judgment, konti lang, mga 1%.
May GC na lang kami na wala sila. Ganun. Parang, be honest. Do you really like me or do you just want to be in a relationship?
So parang,
Because it's a different thing
for the
when you just
so-
like a person
or for
you
the sake
really
na
like-
naghanap ka lang, jowang-jowa ka na lang.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like you.
Aha.
Oh, I like you.
Oh.
Oh, di ba? I genuinely like you. So, I've had my fair share of relationships and heartbreaks. A lot of them and during my 20s. So, I know na din sa edad kong to kung ano yung hinahanap ko sa isang tao. So, alam ko na din kung yung emotions na I feel towards a person, parang, am I just yearning for the presence of a person or am I actually yearning for this person? So, that's two totally different concepts. When I first got to see you and meet you and parang we got to talk like siguro sa mga moments na free ka from your sa mga obligations mo, yeah, I genuinely like you. I genuinely like you as a person, ganun lang. Matalino, hot pa din. So, parang check.
Himas na hilot na hilot. Oo.
Diba?
Angat
So,
na angat. Mm-mm.
sige, last question.
Ah.
May chance ba ako sa'yo?
Ay, yun talaga yun.
Yun talaga yun. Hindi ko naniniwala sa akin. Grabe trust issues yun.
Yeah. Oo naman. Yes. Or pa...
Okay lang, I accept it, guys. Ako naman yung
I
naging
think
vice
it's
sa
the
kanya
device.
dito. Ako
The
naman.
device.
Oh, it's a device. Siya pang nag-drive, so
Hindi.
quits na.
O, hindi makaka-uwi pag ano. Pag inuwi. Pero yeah, I think we vibe. Parang you pass the vibe check.
Kaya pa tong mahilot na
Kaya pa mahilot.
mga 3 dates later siguro. Or okay lang, may crush number 2, 3, 4, 5 naman ako. So, pogi mo kasi. Oh, shot na. Cheers.
Would you consider this as your first date?
Eh, pwede. Kasi
Pwede.
ganyan pa.
Actually, definitely, I would consider this a first date. Kasi ito lang yung first time na nakausap, parang at a deeper level dahil sa mga tanong.
Oo, with the lights.
Oh, with the lights. Tapos
And
may
dark.
alak pa.
Ako honestly, I never closed my doors into meeting people. Although I'm kind of a slow burn person.
Gets kita. Ano,
Tsaka yeah, priority-wise, ganyan. Parang,
di na tayo
we're adults.
magsasettle for instant gratification.
Mm,
A good few more dates para to actually get to know person at a deeper level, di ba?
mm.
So, saan tayo mamaya?
Saan ba?
May oras pa. Sige, cheers tayo sa Coke. Wait lang. Go.
Ano?
Diba? Sa'yo lang kami ng